हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम अगेन ऑफ माय यूट्यूब चैनल इन भैरव से क्लासेस में। आज मैं 24 और 25 अगस्त को हुए करंट अफेयर्स डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ। तो जो मेरे चैनल में नए हैं वो सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और मेरे अपकमिंग वीडियो के लिए बेल आइकॉन जरूर दबाएं। नंबर 1, चाइना हैज recently successfully launched 5th Earth observation satellite, whose name Gaofen 09. Number 2, Government of India, Government of Maharashtra, Mumbai Railway Vikas Corporation and Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank has signed a loan agreement for $500 million for Mumbai Transport Project. तो इस प्रोजेक्ट का उद्देश्य क्या है? द एम ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट टू इम्प्रूव द नेटवर्क कैपेसिटी एंड सेफ्टी ऑफ द सबर्बन रेलवे सिस्टम इन मुंबई. नंबर 3, इंडियन साइंटिस्ट जी सतीश was given 2 years extension as the chairman of Defense Research and Development Organization, that means DRDO. Headquarter of DRDO is New Delhi and it established in 1958. Number 4, the Indian Pavilion at the Army 2020 International Military and Technical Forum was inaugurated at Moscow in Russia. तो रशिया से जुड़ी कुछ बातें. प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ रशिया इज व्लादिमीर पुतिन एंड कैपिटल ऑफ रशिया इज मॉस्को. Number 5, the Chief of Air Staff Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhaduria launched a mobile application named MyIAF to provide career-related information and details to the aspirant who wish to join to the Indian Air Force. Indian Air Force का हेडक्वार्टर है न्यू दिल्ली एंड इंडियन एयर फोर्स फाउंडेड इन 8 October 1932. Number 6, NLC India Limited has bagged the award for making extremely valuable contribution in the implementation of the Swachhata Hi Seva program. NLC India Limited is transforming the entire Nayali into a plastic-free and green campus. NLC India Limited का हेडक्वार्टर है नवेली इन चेन्नई, तमिलनाडु and it founded in 1956. Number 7, Australian all-rounder Cameron White announced his retirement from all form of cricket. Number 8, German sports club Bayern Munich won the UEFA Champions League 1920. Bayern Munich has become the first European Cup winner who won all their matches during the tournament. Number 9, German golfer Sofia Popov won the Women's British Open 2020 title. Number 10, a book titled Who Painted My Last Red has been authorized by Sri Iyer. Theme of the book is Bollywood meets cricket meets politician. Number 11, Tata Group is launched a app named Super App to bring together the country's disparate sales sector. तो इस ऐप से क्या होने वाला है? This app will offer food and grocery ordering, fashion and lifestyle, healthcare and bill payment. Number 12, WHO World Health Organization has certified that Africa continent as free from wild polio virus. In Africa, last polio case was found 4 years ago. Number 13, Kerala for the first ever state celebrate Dragonfly Festival. The official mascot of the festival is Pantaloo. Number 14, NABARD has revealed a dedicated debt and credit product named as Structure Finance and Partial Guarantee Program for non-banking finance company and microfinance institution. Chairman of NABARD is Gobindo Rajutu Chintala. Number 15, ICICI Bank uses satellite data to access the credit worthiness of farmers. ICICI Bank has become the first bank of India to use such a technique. This satellite data provides strong information. Number 16. SBI General Insurance has launched a first kind insurance product called Sagun Gift and Insurance, which is an unique gift of personal accident policy. Number 17. From Hyderabad, Nilakantu Bhanuprakash has bagged the first ever gold medal for India in mental calculation World Cup by Wind Sports Olympiad. Number 18. Indian table tennis star Poulomi Ghatak has announced retirement. He entered Olympic for the first time when she was 16 years old. Number 19. According to data, Tamil Nadu has topped of Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana in availing loan to women. Of the total number of loan provided under Mudra scheme, 70% borrower are women. Number 20. Ahmedabad Railway Division launches bagged sanitization and wrapping machine. This machine ensure safe travel amid the pandemic by user ultraviolet radiation for 360-degree sanitization of luggage. And the last, 21. Agricultural Department of Jammu and Kashmir has set up an economic portal to promote trading of Kashmir saffron. Under this portal, as well as across India, have been appealed to get themselves registered as sellers and buyers.